In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Amtrak tickets online. To get started, head over to the Amtrak website and land on the home page. This is where you'll begin building your trip. On the booking form, first choose your departure station. Make sure you select the station you actually want to leave from, since some cities have multiple nearby options. Next, select your destination station. After that, choose your departure date. If you're planning a round trip, go ahead and select your return date as well. Taking a moment here to double check your travel dates can help you avoid choosing the wrong train later. Once those details are in place, click Find Trains. Amtrak will load the available train options for your route and dates. From there, you'll begin choosing your fare for the departure trip. Look through the available fare types and select the one that fits your needs and budget. As you make your selection, you may see a note about a cancellation fee, such as a 30% cancellation fee if canceled before departure. Be sure to review that policy carefully so you understand the fare rules before continuing. Once you're comfortable with your departure fare choice, click Add to Cart. Now move on to the return portion of the trip by clicking Return. On this page, select the fare you want for your trip back, such as the value option shown. After choosing the fare, click Add to Cart again, then click Continue to move forward. Next, repeat the same selection process for the return trip if prompted, making sure both legs of your journey are added correctly. After that, review the trip summary page. This is an important checkpoint where you can confirm your routes, dates, fare choices, and overall pricing before going any further. If baggage options are available, add your baggage allowances at this stage. This is useful if you know you'll be checking bags or bringing more than the standard allowance. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then arrive at the traveler information page. Here, enter the required traveler details carefully. It's a good idea to make sure names and other travel information match the traveler's identification and trip plans to avoid issues later. When you've finished filling in the traveler details, click Continue to Payment. That will take you to the final stage where you can complete your booking. And that's how to book Amtrak tickets online. If you follow each screen carefully and review your trip before paying, the process is pretty straightforward.